Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to upload files in Monday.com. Ladies and gentlemen, we are in Monday.com. On the left-hand side, we're going to go into our workspace. We are in our main workspace, and we are going to grab a project over here. Now, you can see that my view is currently in Kanban view. What we want to do is go to main table, and this is where you will see different headings over here. Now, to add different headings, all you need to do is go over to the right-hand side, and there'll be a plus icon. What you want to do is click on the plus icon and look for files, and you will find that this column will show up. Now, you can add files for each one of these tasks. Okay, so let's go ahead for task 1. We're going to go ahead and click on add or manage files. Here you can upload from your computer, from your webcam, you can upload a document, you can add from a link, Google Drive, Dropbox, from Bbox, or from OneDrive or SharePoint. Now, whatever it is you choose, go ahead and select your option, and then you'll be able to browse through your files and upload. Right, so I've got this file that I've just uploaded, and you can see if you go inside here, you'll be able to actually see the file. So, if you hover your cursor over it, you can actually see it. If you click on it, you'll be able to interact with it. So let's just go ahead and open it up. Here it is. You can comment. You can see different versions of it. You can go to your gallery, and this will show you all of the images within your account. And there's some additional information here. And then you've got the AI, which will allow you to extract information from your files, be that an image or a PDF document, whatever it is. You can actually have some information, as you can see here, extracted directly from this file.